In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi Q7 key fob. We'll go through step by step. It'll just take you a few minutes. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, and you'll need a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. If you don't have one of these lying around, go check out that link in the description. That very first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. To open this thing up, flip it over to the back, and down here on the bottom, right under this metal part, you can see there's that opening. So just take your flathead screwdriver, insert it under the lip in the plastic, and gently pry the back off. Inside we have the battery. You can see there's this opening here on the side. You're going to need something to fit in there. This is a little bit large, so I'm just going to grab this little flathead screwdriver and pry the battery out. If you don't have something like this, you could probably use a paper clip or just any small tool that can fit in here and get under the battery. And if you're not finding anything around the house to get this done and you wanted to pick something like this up, this is the set that I'm using here, some precision screwdrivers. I'll put this in the link. I'll put a link for this in the description as well. It's pretty cheap on Amazon. But just want to get that battery out. Take your new battery, make sure the positive side is facing up, and you'll just slide that into place and click it down so that it sits flat in there. And now all we need to do is click the back on there, squeeze it right down into place. And if you want to make sure that you did everything right, just make sure that light comes on, and that means you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come on back to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.